one side. So, and then I need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and self-raising flour, a tablespoon of milk. So, it says preheat the oven. So this is the oven.
This is the oven.
Yeah, this is the oven. So preheat the oven to 180. Then it says put the butter. Put the butter.
To the mixing bowl.
Put the butter.
Start.
The butter. Oh, okay. So you put in the butter, and it says cream the butter and the sugar together in a bowl. Cream the butter and the sugar together in a bowl. Okay. Then it says beat in the eggs.
Beaten. Okay. So,
So
now
we
you will.
beat
Yes.
the butter and the sugar,
Yes.
and now we're going to beat in the eggs. Make sure no cracks don't go in, as Miss Wallens made that mistake. Put it to one side. I hope you like eggs.
I'm vegetarian.
Oh, Mrs. Vegetarian. Okay. That's 1 egg. We need 2 eggs.
Yeah.
Put in the other egg now. Thank you. I've got a little helper. Just checking that there's no shells. There we go. Okay. So we've beaten that so it's nicely light and soft. As you can see, nice and soft. Then it says add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. This is vanilla extract. Do I feel it, miss?
Yeah.
Yeah? Vanilla extract, and we're going to add it. Smells nice.
Nice.
Gonna mix again. Then fold in the flour. So now I'm going to add the flour and all the flour's gone, and I'm going to mix. You can
Yeah.
Harley. Yes, now we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. And I'm going to do the same and fold and add some more. And I'm going to add some more milk. 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. And mix again. There we go. Stop that.
Start. Yeah.
Yeah. So now let me take my gloves off, because this is the fun part.
Done. Yeah.
This is the fun part. These are called paper cases.
Looking beautiful.
And you're going to put your paper cases in here.
Start.
So now you put a bit of some of the mixture on your spoon and you just pour in. A bit more, miss. Just a bit of mixture and put it in your case. Then once they're all filled, we're going to place it in the oven. But only adults put them in the oven because the oven is hot.
Hot.
Okay, so you just pat, 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 making sure, and then Miss Wallen is going to put them in the oven. Middle.
Yes. This one.
Okay, remember the adult puts it in the middle, and for 8 to 10 minutes, they will cook. Bye-bye. Thank you. There we go.